Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fun background doing some paper weaving using your scrap pieces of paper. So first I've already stamped and colored this cute snowman to go from Unity Stamp. And here I'm grabbing my scrap pieces of paper which I've already cut into 1/2 inch strips. And what you want to do is just to lay the strips down horizontally first. And next you're going to add the vertical strip from the side. What I want to do is go over, under, over and under, as you can see, for the first strip. And the second strip is under, over, under and over. So it's as simple as that is. The third strip would be like the first, over, under, over and under. And the fourth will be like the second one. And you can do and repeat as many times as you want to fit onto your card. So if you weaved it correctly, as you can see, it is one whole piece of paper which you can pick it up. And I'm just chopping off the excess here, trimming it down to fit onto my card. Next, I'm just adding adhesive to the back of the pieces. You like to be careful with this because it is kind of loose and it is going everywhere. And once you flip it forward, just adhere the rest of the pieces down and you're ready to go. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique on how to use your paper scraps to create a fun background. Thanks for watching. Bye!